Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing this Jet Black body wave wig from WowAngel hair. And this is their 13x6 HD lace frontal unit. Off camera, I slightly plucked the unit and added my lace tint to the lace. First thing I like to do is cut my lace into 3 sections and work on that middle section first. I went in with the Bold Hold Active lace glue to lay this lace down, and I applied 2 layers of this glue. When it comes to laying the lace down, you want to make sure that the hairline is laid directly on top of where you applied the glue. I went in with a fine-tooth rat tail comb to help melt the lace into the glue. Then you want to apply those same exact steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. I went in with a hot comb to push the hair back, and this step will give you a neater installed look. Now that the lace is glued down, I went in with my elastic band, and I kept my elastic band on during the entire styling process. Now it is time to style this unit with some curls, and I started off with using a small, decent amount of Cheese Silk Infusion Serum and applied it throughout the hair. Then I went in with my vent brush to detangle the hair before going in with the curling iron. Now you'll see me just take small sections of the hair and curl it, and I'm using the T3 curling iron to style this hair. Also, off camera, I did go in and add some layers to this hair. The layers aren't heavy, but I did go in and layer this hair. It is important to layer the hair, especially when you are curling the hair, because it'll give it more volume and bounce. Now it is time to cut the lace off. I went in with the Kiss razor to cut off the lace section by section. I initially went in with a razor, but then I went in with a small scissor because it was easier for me to cut certain areas off. I went in with the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 16 to blend the lace with my skin tone. I initially went in with a wide tooth comb for these curls, but then I was switching in between a rat tail comb and then my vent brush. And you want to just keep combing and brushing the curls out until you get your desired look. And here we have the final look of this WowAngel body wave wig. There's a few things that I do like about this unit. The first is how soft the unit was. It was easy for me to run my fingers through it. I didn't have any problems with tangles or knots. It was just very soft to the touch. I did like the lace on this unit as well. It definitely gave natural and melted in with my skin tone very well. And I love the fact that this unit came jet black. I love jet black wigs. I typically dye my wigs jet black, and so this was perfect. Here I'm just showing y'all how the back of this wig look. I do wish that this wig was a little bit more on the big head friendly side. I'm typically a medium size in my wig caps and it just fit my head. So that's the only thing that I would say is a con for this unit. But overall, as far as the lace, the density and the softness, everything else was good. It even held the curls. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, and stay tuned for my next video.